YouTubers. Good morning. Yes, we're having a ride out today. Okay, but we've got a wheelchair with us. So, I've got this on slow because I can't go too fast. But she does love it. So, it's having a bit of a problem up here. Right. So, what am I going to tell you about now? Right, an exciting news. We've just had someone order a double amputee sling seat from us in shocking pink, which I will be showing you later on tonight. I'll show you how it fits, how it's made, what it looks like, and all of that. Just trying out a bit of rough terrain. Yeah, we're super excited about this. We've actually made the quad one. As I said before, they fit any wheelchair. It's on it's going onto a Hobbyhove wheelchair, which are pretty good. Pretty good wheelchairs. Yeah. So if you tune in later, I'll be doing a little podcast and showing it to you. Yeah, we've got an Hobbyhove as well that we bought quite some time back, and they're not bad. Obviously the walking wheels is the best of the best, but I'd call that probably third best. She's still with me. Put the dog in. You coming out? Going in your wheelchair? Come on. You going for your walk? Yeah. Come on, I know you love it in there, but you got to come out and have a little walk, don't you? Put that on.
How much are them walking vests, G?
Oh, these are around £35–40 that you can get from Walking Wheels. Come on out. I like them. They're super soft. Look, she likes it in here. It's that good. She doesn't even want to come out.
Now you probably have to take her out and put it on, G.
Well, it doesn't matter. I mean, she won't get up to come out. Come on then. Let's go. That's it. Got ya. I've got ya. Yes. You like it that much in there. Getting a bit lazy you are. Want to go in your truck. Give me that. That's it. Now we're going in the wheels now for your walk.
What material is that made out of?
This is Neoprene.
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 Oh, okay.
It's wetsuit material. Yeah, they make wetsuits from. And we love it because as you can see, it's lovely and soft, stretchy, clips underneath with Velcro. And the best thing about this, you know what's great? See where it comes to? It comes under there. Now, the harness that comes with these actually comes right under a leg. Well, as you can see, if you put that under your leg, this one's not too bad, but the ones that come with her are quite hard with the outfit, the Walking Wheels. So when the dog's walking, and we found this to be a problem with some dogs, when people tell us their dogs won't walk. Well, one of the reasons could be because the hard harness is stuck right behind in the crease of a shoulder. So we prefer this. We think it's a real good buy for her. Just clips up, look, underneath with the Velcro, and it's safe as houses.
Oh, she tell him about the clip. See how the clip there?
Yes, this clip, you have to watch this. If you don't align it so that this, if it's sort of bent forwards like that, you'll try and put it on to the arms and you'll have a bit of a problem. So before you do that, just make sure it's level. So when you slide it on, which you will in a minute, it'll just slide straight on. So I'm going to pop her in now. Pop her up. Pop her in. So easy. Pop her into our walking wheels. See? Gone on, fine. But if that's curved forward, you do have a bit of a problem struggling about with it, trying to get it on. See? Great. Right. There you go. So she's sitting comfortably in what we developed, which is a double amputee sling seat. These are the ones that we're having now produced. But when we produce them, we have to know the measurements of your dog, length, so we know what's going to. They're customised in all different colours. So later on, I'm going to show you one we've done for the quad, and you'll see what I mean. So she's all soft. That's soft. This is super soft. She can't fall out. It goes all the way under her, right up to the walking vest. And there she is. Comfy as anything, isn't you? And more importantly, very safe. No dog can fall out of that. So they're specifically for double amputee dogs, rear double amputee dogs. So let's go trot off now, Skylar. She just wants to get back in her mountain truck. Come on then, let's go, quick. Yeah, she wants to go in that. You don't want to walk? No, look, see. Look what she's doing.
Just put her back in, June.
Do you want to go back in your truck?
She won't go for a walk if you bring her.
Not if she's looking at this.
No dog won't go. Go when it wants to go.
Come on. See, if she sees a truck, she'd prefer to have a little ride in there, being lazy. See?
Come on.
Wouldn't she?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Yeah.
That's enough of that then, Pete.
What do I say, you all?
Yeah.
Hey, you lost a bit of weight, didn't you? You've been working. That's what does it, you know, when you start working hard.
Oh, yeah. Now she loves this mountain truck, don't you?
Hey, do anyone snag it? Makes them lazy.
Yeah.
That's what you got to work.
Well, she needs to walk to keep her strength up and build her front legs up and that. You want to go back in? We'll leave this for today. Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
Come here. Let's get you back out.
Are you alright?
Yeah, yeah. You love it, don't you, in there? Come here. Let's get you back. Get back. Whoa. Good girl. There you are. I'll pull you along with a little truck. There.
Have a good day.
Ah. See ya. Hang on. I don't want that going on her. You'll have to move up a bit. How did you have this in? Through there?
No, over the top. Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
You
it's,
just have to move Skylar.
I know, but it'll fall forward
No,
that
you
way.
have to move Skylar.
I know.
Um,
Come here.
and just put it on an angle. No, yeah, you carry on blogging. And
Don't turn it round. Just
just goes like that. So you could have the wheels like that, so she's quite far out.
come here. Come here. This can't go up anymore.
Yeah, that's it. No, like I did.
Yeah. Tell you what, you show me.
Yeah,
Oh.
you'll
Show me. She hasn't got much room, has she? In there. Right, we're off. Back on Easy Rider. Off we go. I'll turn it up a bit because I'm crawling around like a snail.
Yeah, turn it up and just drive it to the bin and back.
Yeah. Right. That's better. Too slow that was before. Is that better, Skylar? How's that? Yeah, look, you get exercise as well. Great, isn't it? Yes, so. You're going to love the little sling I'll show you later. Be around 8 o'clock tonight. I'm going to fit it onto the quad to show you. Hey. Oh, she's loving this. See, if you bring her out in this truck, she just loves this truck. So, because she can see it, there's no way she was going to walk off in her walking wheels. She'd rather be in that. I'm going to turn around, go back the other way. This is awesome. I'll slow down a bit. Well, the cameraman will have to run to keep up with me, won't he? Yes, we're just waiting for Skylar's new pink amputee sling to come back. Should have it this week coming. And then we'll be showing you that as well and how that fits. Okay. Getting a little bit breezy now. I think we'll head off back home. It's cold. Yes. Skylar doesn't like to get cold. Yeah, this week we'll get her a new furry coat. Well, I'll say goodbye for a minute because I've got some precarious things to go round in a minute on this. So don't forget, and thanks for tuning in now. Don't forget, like, thumbs up, share, and definitely smash the subscribe button. See you in the next one.